Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser, the off-road legend that refuses to die. Introduction. Imagine a vehicle so tough that it could cross deserts, climb mountains, and survive decades of abuse while still running strong. That's exactly what the Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser became. More than just an SUV, it earned a reputation as one of the most reliable off-road vehicles ever built. Even today, collectors and adventurers around the world are willing to pay premium prices for a well-preserved FJ40. So, what made this classic 4x4 such a legend? Let's find out. The birth of the FJ40. The story begins in the early 1950s when Toyota developed the Land Cruiser to compete with rugged military-style vehicles like the Jeep. In 1960, Toyota introduced the FJ40, a compact yet incredibly durable off-roader designed for harsh terrain. It quickly became popular with farmers, explorers, aid organizations, and governments because it could handle conditions that stopped most other vehicles. Built like a tank, the FJ40 was designed with simplicity and durability in mind. It featured a strong ladder-frame chassis, solid axles, leaf spring suspension, and a dependable four-wheel drive system. Under the hood, most models came with Toyota's legendary 3.9-liter inline-six engine, later upgraded to a 4.2-liter version. While it wasn't the fastest vehicle on the road, it delivered exceptional torque and reliability, allowing it to conquer rocks, mud, sand, and steep mountain trails with ease. A global icon, one of the reasons the FJ40 became so famous was its worldwide success. From the Australian outback to the African savanna and the jungles of South America, the Land Cruiser proved itself in some of the world's toughest environments. Humanitarian organizations, mining companies, and safari operators relied on it because breakdowns were rare, even in remote areas where repairs were nearly impossible. Why people still love it? Even though production ended in the 1980s for most markets, the FJ40 remains one of the most desirable classic SUVs ever made. Enthusiasts admire its timeless design, simple mechanics, and unmatched durability. Many owners restore them to factory condition, while others modify them with modern engines, suspension upgrades, and larger tires for even better off-road performance. Interesting facts. Did you know that some Toyota FJ40s are still in daily use after more than 50 years? Thanks to their rugged engineering, it's not uncommon to see these classics with hundreds of thousands of miles on the odometer. Today, rare and well-restored, FJ40 models can sell for over 100,000, proving that this legendary Land Cruiser has become both a collector's dream and an investment. Conclusion. The Toyota FJ40 Land Cruiser is much more than an old off-road vehicle. It's a symbol of reliability, adventure, and engineering excellence. Decades after it first rolled off